Hello students, I hope you all are great and wonderful. So our chapter is lines and angles. Lines and angles. So in this chapter, you must have read about that a line is made up of at least 2 points. In the Euclid geometry, you must have read about this. That is, a line is made up of at least 2 points. Okay, so this is our line. Let's say this is our point A and this is point B. So line is made up of at least 2 points. In the same way, we have angle. Okay, now in this chapter we will be learning about different properties of the angles, different types of angles. We have lines, we have rays, we have line segments. We have read about these all the things previously, but here we will read about this in details. Now my question is, if you want to make a model of your school building or maybe of your house, so what is required? The basic requirement are that you must have the knowledge of parallel lines, you must have the knowledge of intersecting lines, okay, and you must have parallel intersecting lines so that you can make that model perfectly. Okay, in the same way, if an architect is making drawing for any building, then he should have basic knowledge for parallel lines, intersecting lines, isn't it? Yes. So here also we'll learn about properties of angles, a line intersecting another line. So we have angle. Let's say this is one line, this is another line. Here we have angles. Okay, if we have parallel lines, then one line intersecting, then we have the properties of the angles formed because of this transversal which is intersecting different lines. Now one more question. In science also, if we study about ray of light, all the rays, or we study about beam of light is always parallel to each other, isn't it? You must have done some of the experiments in your physics lab, yes or no? Yes, exactly. So we are denoting that rays or the beam of light with the help of rays, isn't it? Like something like this, 1, 2, 3. These are the beam of lights which is coming parallelly, okay, from the light source. And we have different in day-to-day life, we have different examples for angles, intersecting lines, parallel lines, rays, isn't it? So we have, if we go for the corner of this screen, okay, this is the corner of the screen, there also we have angle, yes or no? Which angle, can you please tell me? Exactly, that is 90 degree. Wow. So we have in day-to-day life, we have different examples for lines as well as angles. So I hope you understood what I mean to say, isn't it? Okay.